Namo Buddhaya. Today also we are going to listen yet another beautiful Dhamma advice. You for yourself. We all are born alone, pass away alone, travel this journey alone. All these defilements in our mind arise separately according to the way each of us thinks. Hence we had to remember to refuge ourselves individually. This Dhamma provides complete guidelines for that. So, refuge yourself, be your own protector. It is not a smart idea to expect protection from outside world. However, if we can generate the faith, develop the virtue, mindfulness, effort, concentration and wise consideration as Supreme Buddha reveals, the true refuge can be arise within ourselves. The Four Noble Truths can be realized in this Gautama Buddha's dispensation itself. The horrifying journey of samsara can be crossed. Permanent protection of nirvana can be achieved. This all does not depend on the way we wish, but the way we act. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.